Saturday afternoon, Strait of Bonifacio, 18 knots, gusting 25. The strait is packed. Starboard tack has right-of-way. Correct. Rule 12. What your instructor didn't mention is that Rule 12 doesn't exist in a vacuum. Rule 2. Responsibility. Follow the rules, but if the rules are about to get you killed, break the rules. The most important rule in the book. Rule 5. Lookout. At all times, by all available means. The IMO did not include a bathroom exemption. Rule 7. If the compass bearing of an approaching vessel does not change, you are on a collision course. If you're not sure, assume the worst. Rule 8 demands boldness. 5 degrees is invisible, 30 degrees is a statement. The other vessel needs to see what you are doing. In a narrow channel, your 14-meter sloop does not have right-of-way over a 300-meter container ship. You can leave the channel. They can't. Rule 17. The gap between "they should be turning" and "oh God, they're not turning." That is where most collisions happen. Rule 18. The hierarchy. Think of it as a pecking order. You are the chicken. In restricted visibility, there is no stand-on vessel. There are only 2 vessels trying not to hit each other. Look, assess, act decisively, and never assume the other vessel knows what it is doing.